how your voice will be looking like, you know. Anyways, thank you so. Okay, wait. Okay. You and next time and some of many new reaction for you. I don't know, no problem. Thank you so much, Habibi Wasim. And yeah, really, we are really waiting for you to show your face and to show us. I don't know, your voice. I wanna hear your voice. I swear. I can't sleep. I wanna hear your voice. I wanna see how your voice will be looking like, you know. Anyways, thank you so. Okay, wait. Okay. This is my voice. Where is it? Oh my god. Oh shit. Okay, thank you, Mr. Wasim, Mr. Wait444. Yeah, please don't show your voice again. Please don't reveal your voice. Don't you ever reveal even your face. I think stay like this.